Hi everyone, I'm Raul Harad, CEO of DeepSafe, with another stream for you guys. Um, I actually wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about how blockchain and AI interact. I know this is a topic that has been asked in the past in terms of really understanding when we're talking about the verification between AI agents and blockchain, what do we really mean, right? So we'll talk a little bit about how blockchain technology and artificial intelligence intersect. Um, and we'll go through a couple of practical use cases and discuss, the opportunities really that emerge from this frontier. So you all know what blockchain is, and why do we combine it with AI? Well, individually, both technologies are powerful, but their combination really addresses some of the others' challenges. So AI often lacks transparency, and blockchain has auditability and proven transparency. AI models are hungry for data, whereas blockchain can enable secure, decentralized data sharing. Blockchain's autonomous smart contracts can use AI for dynamic decision making and optimization. And there is also um, some key synergies that we see. So, blockchain brings trust to AI. So, it ensures that AI training data hasn't been tampered with. It tracks the decision path of models, providing audit trails. It records AI generated outputs on chain for future verification or dispute resolution. From the AI enhancing blockchain side, we have the automation of smart contract execution. You can adapt rules on the fly, so to speak. We have the detection and prevention of fraud or anomalies in blockchain networks, and the optimization of transaction routing and fee management. Now, if we look at practical use cases, there's quite a few. So, as you know, there's decentralized AI marketplaces. So, these are networks like Ocean Protocol that let data providers publish databases. And AI developers offer models and users that can purchase the service. And all this can be verified and settled automatically on the blockchain. When we talk about security, AI powered algorithms monitor blockchain networks to detect suspicious patterns. So it improves fraud detection, and it safeguards digital assets and supports the KYC AML compliance, which is so important in blockchain. We have DAOs, so AI driven DAOs, so decentralized autonomous organizations that can adapt and make decisions based on streaming blockchain data, right? So, for example, DeFi platforms that algorithmically set interest rates, right? Another use case is in supply chain transparency. So AI analyzes streaming data about products and shipments, while blockchain immutably records each event, and then combining these two reduces fraud. Um, it helps with the track source provenance. It optimizes logistics. So there are quite a few benefits, right? We have enhanced security, so blockchain's immutability plus AI's anomaly detection, greater transparency, so the auditability of AI decisions, data monetization, so empowering individuals to share and monetize data securely. We do have some challenges. Scalability is one of them. So integrating resource-heavy AI models with slower blockchain networks can present a problem. There can be issues with data privacy, right? So balancing transparency with confidentiality on public ledgers. And there could be issues with governance. So managing automated rather collective decision making in a fair manner. When we look at the future of blockchain and AI integration, one of the things that we see, that we hear a lot about, of course, is the growth of privacy preserving computation. So, like federated learning and zero knowledge proofs, allowing AI to learn from blockchain data without exposing individual details. So, that is a trend to watch for. Another one is the rise of on-chain model verification and decentralized storage solutions. So as you know, that is where DeepSafe excels. And another trend that we are seeing is cross-industry adoption. So we see that in finance, supply chain, digital identity, healthcare. So it really is very exciting what we have, and use cases continue to appear and grow as AI agents become more sophisticated, but also as blockchain manages better capabilities and has more throughput. So we really are at the early days of blockchain and AI convergence. So whether you're an investor, a developer, or business strategist, now is the time to really explore the space, I would say. Pilot projects, research integrations, and consider the transformative potential at the intersection of trust, automation, and intelligence. So if you are in those categories, definitely look out for the trends that I mentioned. They are, of course, going to be evolving, and there will be new trends, but really those are some of the outstanding ones that we see that we think are really interesting. And of course, DeepSafe is at the center of this all, making sure that the interaction between AI and blockchain is protected, it's safe, and making sure that information, like we're saying before, from oracles hasn't been tampered with. So there are many use cases in which DeepSafe really provides the infrastructure that's needed for a lot of these developments that are happening, a lot of these trends that are coming online. But really just making sure that when all these trends, different use cases, different applications happen, that they're done in a safe, reliable manner. And that's where DeepSafe comes in. So regardless of the industry of application, regardless of the application itself, the importance of verification and safeguarding data and the interaction between blockchain and AI is the area where DeepSafe excels and manages or helps our users manage this process in a way that they can be uh, confident that the information is safe and that the interaction is not going to expose um, any risks to hacking or any other sort of risks. So with that, thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions, like always, please feel free to reach out, email, or write to us on social media. We'll be happy to chat with you and answer any questions you may have. Have a good day, a good afternoon, good evening.